What is going on YouTube? Richard Houlihan with just one more thing, back at it again. We have got something a little special, a little different than what most of the videos are going to be about with repairs and maintenance and so forth. I have a collaboration video with a good friend of mine by the name of Nick Shreve, who is also the Outdoor Everyman. So I'll put a link below, so be sure to go check out his channel as well. Today is going to be the first part of a two-part series where I'm going to be going to Nick's house and helping him get a shed built in his backyard. His garage is starting to fill up a little bit in the new house he just moved into, and he'd like to get a shed to put all his outdoor equipment in. If you stick around, I'll be showing you where we're going to be putting that in the yard today, as well as getting that foundation laid, some weed block, and a little bit of peat gravel as well. So stick around for the first part of Nick's shed build. We'll see you outside. We're going to be putting this bad boy in this back corner right over here. He's got a gap in the trees he wants to get covered up, plus make it a little bit more convenient for the area he has to mow. Here's our base going under the shed. We're going to be using pea gravel, and like I said earlier, we are going to be using weed block as well. We have a 10-foot by 12-foot shed, so we are going to be doing 3 foot, then 4 foot, and then we measure 5 foot from mark to mark, and that's how you tell everything's squared up. So we're going to go ahead and get these blocks laid out and get everything squared up. Alrighty guys, me and my messy hair are back with you. We got everything squared out. We went ahead and put a paint line all the way around. We're gonna go ahead and use an edger for sidewalks to get a good line around this. We're gonna mow the grass down as low as possible before we put down the barrier. So let's get going. I mean, I'll try to go pretty quick here. Wormy worms. Wow. This way. Oh. Alrighty guys, we have all our block down. We've got our pea gravel in the hole to allow for drainage. We've got everything virtually level and set where it needs to go. We will of course adjust a little bit later once we get the frame built. So what we're gonna do next is go ahead and lay down our weed barrier and go ahead and get started on some of the pea gravel. Let's get to it. Alright, there you have it guys. We've got all the foundation blocks in the ground. We also have all the peat gravel down and the weed block. So the next step is actually going to be erecting the shed. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of part 1. If you like this video and look forward to seeing the second part, go ahead and click that like button, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. See you on the next one.